We are almost done, and this is probably the easiest part, setting up the pilot for automatic trading. The first step of this initial setup is to enter the API key and secret that we've created before. Please do so and click on Next. After that, we will have to set your base currency and budget. The base currency is what you want the pilot to trade with, or the currency that you want to increase through trading. As we've just purchased Bitcoin in a previous video, please set it to BTC accordingly. Next, please enter your budget. This of course depends on how many Bitcoins you've previously purchased. You can enter any number above 0.1, which is the minimum required for the pilot. To use all of your balance, simply click the maximum button. The last setting on this page is how you want to handle your profits. If you select yes, your profits will always be added to your trading budget, so that the next trade made will use a higher budget than before. This is called compounding or reinvesting. If you select no, the pilot will always just use the budget from the previous setting and won't increase it. Therefore, you can decide what you want to do with your profits afterwards. Just click on Save and you're all set. The pilot is now ready to start trading and will begin to scan the market for the best buying opportunities. Enjoy your profits, and please see the links below this video for the most frequently asked questions and answers.